Have you ever wanted to invest, but felt like you needed a finance degree just to get started? Maybe the idea of picking stocks and monitoring market trends sounds more stressful than exciting. What if I told you there's a way to get your money working for you, automatically, with a fraction of the effort and fees of a traditional advisor? That's where robo-advising comes in, and Ally's automated investing is making it more accessible than ever. Think of it as a smart, digital co-pilot for your investments. You tell it your goals, whether you're saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or just building wealth, and it takes the wheel. Ally's platform starts with a simple, straightforward questionnaire. It'll ask you about your time horizon, your risk tolerance, and your financial objectives. Based on your answers, an algorithm builds a personalized, diversified portfolio of low-cost exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. It's designed to align with your needs, not some generic, one-size-fits-all strategy. But here's where it gets really powerful. Ally's automated investing doesn't just build your portfolio and leave it there. It continuously monitors and automatically rebalances it for you. This means as the market shifts and your investments grow at different rates, the system keeps your portfolio on track to meet your original goals without you having to lift a finger. This is a crucial, but often overlooked, part of smart investing. And what about fees? Ally offers two great options. You can choose a cash-enhanced portfolio, where a portion of your money is held in a high-yield cash buffer and you pay no advisory fees. Or, if you want nearly all your money in the market-focused portfolio has a low annual advisory fee. With a minimum of just $100 to get started, Ally makes automated investing something everyone can access. It's about taking the guesswork and the heavy lifting out of investing so you can focus on the things that matter most in your life. With Ally's automated investing, you get the intelligence of a well-built portfolio and the convenience of automation, all backed by a trusted name in banking. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.